On the scorching grassland, the secretary bird walked slowly, looking majestic.
With steel-like legs.
From the grass, the king cobra rushed out, its hood bulging, its fangs bared threateningly. Undeterred, the secretary bird spread its wings, beak and feet ready to strike. The sound of fans and whistles echoed. The confrontation became suffocating. A vicious kick landed. The snake was stunned and writhed on the ground. Finally, the proud predator fell, making way for the warrior bird to take over.
It is speed and strength that decide who survives.
On the bare cliff, the explorer held his breath, watching the fierce battle. A giant king cobra slithered out from a crevice in the rock, its head held high, hood bulging, its eyes gleaming with ferocity. In an From the sky, a mighty eagle swooped down, its wings spread wide as if to cover the sunset. The lightning strike caused the snake to twist and counterattack, its mouth opening wide and shooting its poisonous fangs straight into the sky. The sound of flapping wings mixed with a piercing screech. Dust and rocks flew everywhere. The entire mountainside shook in the confrontation. The jaw... Finally, the power from the sky overwhelmed the venomous snake, leaving a cold silence on the desolate rocky mountain. Under the scorching sun, the explorer walked across the arid desert, each heavy breath mixed with the burning heat. Ahead, a skinny porcupine was hunched over, searching for a rare bit of food in the dead land. From the cracked, dry ground, the king cobra slithered out, its hood bulging menacingly, its fiery eyes locking onto its prey. The hedgehog raised its spines and rushed into a life-and-death battle, raising dust and sand under the scorching sun. In a fierce moment, the snake collapsed